Hi students, how are you? Once again, welcome back to our online class. In last class, we have studied about for finding the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, today we are going to learn about the quadratic formula for finding the roots of the equation. Okay, quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, all divided by 2a. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the equation. Okay, discriminant of the equation. B square minus 4ac is called a discriminant of the equation. Okay, three condition. If b square minus 4ac, three condition, b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots. Okay, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, there are two distinct real roots. First condition. Second condition, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The equation have two equal roots. Two equal roots. Second condition, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The equation have two equal roots. Then third condition, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0, they have no real roots. No real root. Okay, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. For finding the roots of the equation, the formula is called a quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a, b, c are here a equal to the coefficient of x square and b equal to coefficient of x, c constant term. Okay, understand the formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the equation. Okay, then three conditions. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the equation has two distinct real roots. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, the quadratic equation have no real root. Okay, understand? Then, okay, our first question, find the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Find roots of a quadratic equation. Find the roots of a quadratic equation. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. And the first step, find the roots of a quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 by using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula. By using quadratic formula. Okay. Then what is the quadratic formula? X equal to find the solution of a quadratic equation, we apply the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then first b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. In this quadratic equation, what is a? A equal to 3 and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 2. Okay, understand? A equal to the coefficient of x square and b equal to the coefficient of x. In this question, what is the coefficient of x? Here, minus 5 is the coefficient of x and 3 is the coefficient of x square and constant term 2. Constant term, that is c equal to 2. Then b square minus 4ac. b minus 5 whole square, that is b minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a. Here a equal to 3. 4 into 3 into 2, that is 4ac. Minus 5 whole square, that is minus 5 square, 25. Minus 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2, 24. 25 minus 24 equal to 1. Okay, we got the answer. B square minus 4ac equal to 1. Okay, then these three conditions. First condition, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. 1 greater than 0. Okay, understand? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. In this question, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Therefore, it has two roots, two distinct real roots. First condition, two distinct real roots. Okay, two distinct real roots. Which are the roots? Applying. How will you find the solution of a quadratic equation? By using quadratic formula. We use the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here minus b equal to x equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to 1. Therefore, root of b square minus 4ac root 1 by 2a. By 2a means 2 into 3. Okay, understand? Minus 5 plus or minus root 1 by 2 into 3. That is minus 5 plus or minus root 1 means 1 by 6. Okay, minus 5 plus or minus 1 by 6. That is minus 5. Next step, minus 5 plus 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6. Plus or minus means first we use the symbol plus and next step minus. Minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 5 plus 1. No, minus 5 means plus 5. Plus 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 6. Okay, 6 by 6 and 5 minus 1. Minus here. 2 minus are in, that is plus. 2 minus means plus. 2 minus means plus. 6 by 6. Then 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 6. What is 6 by 6? 6 by 6. In this question, 6 by 6 equal to 1 and 4 by 6 cancel 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 1, 2 by 3. Okay, all of you understand? In this question, you can say that 1 and 2 by 3 are the roots, or 1 and 2 by 3 are the zeros of the quadratic equation. We use the quadratic formula. 1 and 2 by 3 are the roots of this equation. Okay, understand? Okay. Then, what is the quadratic formula? Can you say x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and 4 conditions. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, the equation have two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, they have two equal roots. If b square minus 4ac less than 0, the quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay, our next question, second question. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. Same question. X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. That is second question. X square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. In this question, what is A? A equal to 1, B equal to 4 and C equal to 5. First, First using quadratic formula, x equal to quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula. First step, can find b square minus 4ac. b square, that is 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Okay, understand? Here b equal to 4, a equal to 1 and c equal to 5. b square minus 4ac means 4 square. 4 square means 16 minus 4 into 1 into 5. That is 4 into 1, 4. 1 into 5, that is 20. In this question, 16 minus 20. 16 minus 20. What is the answer for 16 minus 20? One positive number and one negative number. Okay, minus 4. Here 16 minus 20 equal to minus 4. Which condition used in this question? b square minus 4ac less than 0. Negative number is less than 0. Therefore, we can say that if b square minus 4ac less than 0, therefore, condition, the quadratic equation have no real roots. b square minus 4ac less than 0, therefore, no real roots. Okay, understand? First, you can find the b square minus 4ac. Here b square minus 4ac equal to minus 4. b square minus 4ac less than 0, therefore no real roots. Okay, understand? Then third question. First case, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. The equation have two distinct real roots. Second question, b square minus 4ac less than 0. The quadratic equation have no real roots. Our third question, find roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula 2x square minus 2 root 2x. Third question, 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Same question. Okay. Here, this is the form of a quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, understand? Then, a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2 root 2 and c equal to 1. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 root 2. ax square plus bx form, that is b equal to minus 2 root 2 and c equal to 1. Or b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 2 root 2 whole square. b square minus 4 into a, 4 into 2 into 1. Okay, minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1. What is the minus 2 root 2 whole square? Minus 2 root 2 whole square means minus 2 square into root 2 square. That is minus 2 square into means into. Minus 2 square into root 2 square. Okay, minus 2 square negative into negative positive. That is 4 into root 2 square. Root 2 into root 2 equal to root 4. That is root 4 equal to 2. That is 4 into 2, 8. That is minus 2 root 2 whole square equal to 8. That is 8 minus 4 into 2 into 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 1 are 8. That is 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Just the third condition. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The equation have two equal roots. The quadratic equation have two equal roots. Okay, which are the equal roots? Using the formula, quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is x equal to. Here minus b means minus 2 root 2. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac 0. Plus or minus root 0 by 2a. A means 2 by 2 into 2. Okay, minus 2 root 2 plus or minus. Minus 2 root 2 means minus means plus. plus 2 root 2 divided by 4. Okay, plus 2 root 2 divided by 4. Plus 0 plus or minus means minus 2 root 2 plus or minus 0. That is plus 0 means that number and minus 0 means also that number, same number. 2 root 2 by 4. That is 2 root 2 by 4. Cancel 4 and 2. Then root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 is the answer. One more simplification. Root 2 by 2 equal to root 2 by 2 means root 2 into root 2. That is 2 means root 2 into root 2. Cancel root 2. The answer, we got the answer 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. This equation 2x square minus 2 root x plus 1 equal to 0. The quadratic equation have two equal roots. Which are they? 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Same root. That is 1 by root 2 and plus or minus means 2 root 2 plus or minus. That is 1 by root 2 plus 0 and 1 by root 2 minus 0. Both are same. Therefore, 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, understand? 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 are the roots of the equation. This equation 2x square minus 2 root x plus 1 equal to 0. In this condition, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore, quadratic equation have equal roots. That is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 are 2 roots. Okay, understand? Then, next question. Find the roots of the following equation. Next question. Find the roots of the following equation. Find the roots of the following equation. That equation equal to x plus 1 by x equal to 3. Okay. X plus 1 by x equal to 3. First step. What is the first step for this equation? Find the roots of the following equation. X plus 1 by x equal to 3 by using which formula? Quadratic formula. Then x plus 1 by x equal to 3. First is simplification. Here, what is the first step? To find a cross multiplication. That is x into x, that is x square plus 1 into 1, x square plus 1 whole divided by x equal to 3. Okay, x square plus 1 by x equal to 3. Then next step, cross multiplication. That is x square plus 1 into 1. That is x square plus 1 equal to 3x. Okay, x square plus 1 equal to 3x. Then x square here plus 3x, opposite side minus 3x. X square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then find the roots of the equation. That is, in this equation we can find using quadratic formula. What is the a? Here x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. In this question, what is a? A equal to coefficient of x square, that is a equal to 1, and b equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 3, and c equal to constant term, that is 1. We are using the quadratic formula. X equal to minus b, that is minus 3 plus or minus, that is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. In this question, b square minus 4ac, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. 4 into 1 into minus 3 square, that is 9. 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. Okay, here in this question, b square minus 4ac 5. B square minus 4ac 5 greater than 0. The equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, two distinct real roots. That is minus 3 plus or minus root of 5 divided by 2a divided by 2 into 1. That is x equal to minus 3. That is 3 plus or minus root of 5 by 2. Then 3 plus or minus root of 5 means 3 plus root of 5 by 2 and 3 minus root of 5 by 2. Okay, understand? Here in this quadratic equations have two roots. That is 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2 are the roots of this equation. Root 5 is a perfect square or not? No. Root 25 means 5. Root 5 not a perfect square. Therefore 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2 are the roots of the which equation? Roots of x plus 1 by x equal to 3. Okay, understand? Okay. Then next question. What is quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is an important formula. That is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2. Next question, an important question. Find the roots of the following equations using quadratic formula 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2. Next question, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 equal to 3. Here x not equal to 0. You see quadratic formula. What is the roots of this equation? It's a fraction 1 by x and 1 by x minus 2. Which method we can use? The first step, cross multiplication method to simplify a quadratic equation. First, to simplify the quadratic equation, that is 1 into x minus 2. Cross multiplication 1 into x minus 2 minus 1 into x. 1 into x divided by x into x minus 2, okay, equal to 3. Our first step, cross multiplication 1 into x minus 2 minus 1 into x in bracket 1 into x minus 2 into 1 into x divided by x into x minus 2 equal to 3. Here we can 1 into x 1 into minus 2 minus 2, that is x minus 2 minus x divided by x into x square, x into minus 2 minus 2x equal to 3. Okay, here plus 6 and minus 6 cancelled, and what? Minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x equal to 3. Next step, again cross multiply. Okay, again cross multiply. Then minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 2 into 1 equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. Okay, 3 into x square minus 2x. Minus 2 by x square minus 2x equal to minus 2 into 1 equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. Minus 2 into 1 minus 2 equal to 3 into x square minus 2x, that is 3x square. 3 into minus 2x minus 6x. Okay, minus 2 equal to 3x square minus 6x. 3x square minus 6x minus 2 become plus 2. That is 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, we got the quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c is of the form 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Here a equal to, in this question, and a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 2. Okay, a 3, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 2. b square minus 4ac minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2. That is minus 6 whole square 36. 36 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 24. That is 36 minus 24 we got 36 minus 24 we got the answer 12. Which condition used in the step 12 greater than 0? Therefore, equation have two distinct real roots. 22, that is x equal to minus b minus 6 plus or minus root 12 by 2a. 2a means 2 into 3. Okay, understand? X equal to minus 6 plus or minus root 12 by 2 into 3, 6. Then next step, minus 6 means plus 6 plus or minus root 12 by 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6. Then root 12 can be simplified as root 12 simplification means 12 prime factorization we get 12 2 6 2 then 3. Okay, 2 root means 1, that is root 12 can be written as root 12 equal to 2 root 3, root 12 equal to 2 root 3. Okay, then minus 6 plus or minus root 12 2 root 3, 2 root 3 by 2a, 2a means 6. Then 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6. We can clear that 6 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 6 means 6 by 6 and 2 root 3 by 6. Then common factor 2. 2 into 3 plus or minus 2 root 3 all divided by 2 into 3. Common in both 3 steps, common number 2. Then 2 cancelled. Okay, that is the answer. 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3. Okay, 3 plus or minus root 3 by 3, that is 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 3 are the 3 plus root 3. 3 minus root 3 by 3 are the solution of a quadratic equation. Okay, here in this question a quadratic equation have two roots, that is 3 plus root 3 by 3 one root and 3 minus root 3 by 3 another root. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, then all of you take your textbook. Page number 87, homework questions. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by method of completing square. That by method of completing square cancelled by using quadratic formula. 4 questions. First question, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. And 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. These are the homework questions. Okay. Today's class over. All of you understand? All of you got it? In today's class we can study the formula, quadratic formula. It is an important formula. Okay. Today's class over. Thank you. Okay.